The world is running out of fossil fuels to burn for power. We have started to look at other alternatives that are longer lasting and renewable. One of these is power generated by turbines spun in the wind. Today, I will be discussing why wind power is inefficient based on cost to energy output ratios and the need for outside power. Wind power works by a turbine consisting of 5 blades being spun in the wind, and that then on the interior spins a rotor, which spins a shaft and a gearbox, which then spins a generator. This generator takes the kinetic energy and converts it into an electrical output. This is the physical ability of a wind turbine. Using this, however, they do not have the ability to output enough power to justify the cost. The National Wind Watch says that the most commonly used wind turbine in America is a 1.5 gigawatts per hour turbine. Marissa Blackwood, in her math proof, proves that the Betz limit, first noticed in 1919 by German physicist Albert Betz, says that according to physics, the laws of physics, a wind turbine can only produce 59.9% of its predicted maximums. Taylor Johnson, in additional math proof, takes the cost of power versus the cost of maintenance and installations and says that it would take 22 years to pay off a single wind turbine at a production rate of 39%. Due to the laws of physics, we are unable to produce enough power for a wind turbine of a lifespan of about 20 years to actually pay for itself. This means that they are not self-sufficient and must be backed up 100% with additional power sources. Eric Rosenblum, in his article, A Problem with Wind Power, notes that there is a variety of things that power goes towards. The biggest one being heating the blades to keep them from freezing. This consumes about 20% of the power rated, so 20% of that 1.3 gigawatts an hour. The Royal Academy of Engineering, in their wind turbine calculations page, says that on average, a wind turbine only produces 10 to 30% of its rated maximums. Therefore, wind turbines consume almost as much power as they produce. In conclusion, we do not have the physical ability to obey the laws of physics, and wind turbines are not capable of producing enough power to cover the costs of installation and maintenance. They also require power from the grid and often consume just as much, if not more, than the power they produce. All of these points are to be considered when we say that wind power is inefficient.